My name is Oyewole Samuel. I'm a graduate of EFD. I want to bless God for what God has done in my life through EFD training. Indeed, God is great. In fact, if I have not been to EFD training, I don't know how my life will have been. EFD training has opened my eyes for me to understand what we mean by self and how one can get rid of self, and also the aspect of sin. I don't have the understanding of sin, but through EFD training has been able to understand what sin really means. Also, the aspect of Satan and war. Before, I was thinking that we live among people that are so wicked. The training has given me the intuition, the knowledge for me to be able to know that the war is in existence, but as we have wicked people in the world, we also have those people that are good in the world. And our good is not even being defined by our character or by what we do, but it's by the impact of Christ in our life. So I bless God for that personal encounter that God has given to me. And concerning my marriage, I really bless God because God really helped me. If I have not been into this training, I will have missed it maritally. By the grace of God, my marriage will be 4 years by December 18th. In the beginning of this marriage, I have never for once regret, or I have never have any issue with my spouse, and it is because of this training, because it's this training that has opened my eyes to how I can relate with my spouse without having any grudges, without having any problem with my spouse. And I thank God that God really helped me with this. And in the aspect of ministry, thank God for this training, because I will have just entered into ministry without having what it entails to be in ministry. Because I actually think ministry is just anything that you can do for God, not knowing that God needs to call you into it, that it must be in line with what God has designed your life to be. Are you having any challenges with your marriage? Come to EFD. You will see that God is good. Do you have any issue with your partner, relating with your spouse? There's no problem. Come to EFD, you will get the understanding of how you can interact with your spouse peacefully. If you can enroll for this training, you will really be blessed. You really get enough understanding about yourself, even about your future, and it will give you knowledge for you to be able to overcome any challenges. Try enroll for this training and you see that God is so good. Thank you and God bless you.
You are the next now to enroll. Come now and enjoy God. Come and receive what God has prepared and that He exclusively reserved for you. In case you need more clarity, you can make a call and make necessary inquiry. Drop your comment. God bless you.